Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn about loops in Java. Loop is an important concept of a programming that allows to iterate over the sequence of statements. Loop is designed to execute particular code block till the specified condition is true or all the elements of a collection are completely traversed. The most common use of loop is to perform repetitive tasks. Imagine we need to print a sentence 50 times on your screen. Well, we can do it by using the print statement 50 times without using loops. How about you need to print a sentence 1 million times? You need to use loops here. With loops, we can simply write the print statement one time and run it for n number of times. That's why loop is very important in programming. Java provides three different loop based on the loop structure: for loop, while loop and do while loop. We'll explain each loop individually in details. First, we'll start with the for loop. So, what is for loop? The for loop is used for executing a part of the program repeatedly. When the number of execution is fixed, then it is suggested to use for loop. For loop can be categorized into two types. Again, one is for loop and another is for each loop. Then in for loop there are different parameters are used. Here you can see, right, we have the syntax for loop. We are seeing initialization, then condition, then increment and decrement, then inside that we have statements. So what is this initialization means? It is the initial part where we set initial value for the for loop. It is executed only once at the starting of the loop. It is optional if we don't want to set initial value. Then we have condition. It is used to test a condition each time while executing. The execution continues until the condition is false. It is optional, and if we don't specify, loop will be infinity. Then we have statement. It is loop body and executed every time until the condition is false. Then we have increment and decrement. So it is used for set increment or decrement value for the loop. So let's see with the example. You will understand clearly when we will see with an example. Okay, let's go to our Eclipse and let me create a new class and we'll name it as for loop example. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll write a for loop. For what we are telling here, initialization, then condition, then increment and decrement, then statements. Okay, similarly we'll write here. First we'll do initialization. We'll take a variable int I and we'll tell initialization means we have given one, initialize the value as 1. Then what we are telling, we are telling the condition I is less than equal to 10. Then we are using increment or decrement operator. We are using here increment operator I plus plus, which means I equal to I plus 1. Okay. Then what we will do? We will do a sysout. So here we will print, for example, the I value. Okay. So let's execute this and let's see what we are getting here. See, here you are getting the values till 1 to 10. So what you did here? So first I value you have given, initialized the I value, right? I value, what you did? You did 1. Then what happened? The condition. So 1 is less than equal to 10. Yes, the condition is satisfied. Then what happened? I plus plus, I value is increased, but before to that this statement will execute. Okay, so system.out.println I. So what is the I value? I value equal to 1. So that's why this got executed. Okay, then the loop will go up. I value is already increased. So what we got here? I equal to 2, 2 is less than equal to 10, yes, the condition is satisfied. That's why again I plus plus and this statement got executed. So 2 got printed. Similarly, now the I value equal to 3 and 3 is less than equal to 10, then 3 got printed. Similarly, the loop will go till 10, and in 10 what will happen when I equal to 10, 10 is less than equal to 10, yes, the condition is satisfied. Then we are printing 10. When it became 11, is 11 is equal to 10? No, that's why it didn't print. For example, if I'll put till 15, so it will print till 15. Let's see that. See, it is printing till 15. For example, here you are seeing, right, I am giving less than equal to. This is the condition. Let me remove equal to. What it means? I am telling I is less than equal to 15. So when the condition will be 15, is 15 is less than or equal to 15? Yes. If I will say if 15 is less than equal to 15, then condition is no, right? So in this case, 15 should not print. Let's execute and see that. See, it printed till 14 because earlier when we were telling equal to, then it was 15 was equal to 15. That's why it was printing. Now the condition didn't satisfy for 15. That's why it didn't work. So this is how you can write a for loop. Okay, we can see another example of a nested for loop. So what is nested for loop? Loop created inside another loop is called nested loop. Sometimes based on the requirement, maybe you have to create a nested loop. Generally, nested loops are used to iterate tabular data. So let's see with the same example. So for example, I equal to 1, I will less than equal to 5 and I plus plus. Then what I will do? Again I will take a for loop and what I will tell here, int j equal to 1 and then j is less than equal to I, then j plus plus. Okay, then what we will do here, we will do a print, we will print system.out.print, not in a new line, and here we'll print a star. Okay, then we can write like this. Okay, fine, or let me put it 3. Let's see, let's run it. Okay, so what you saw here, so first what we did, we have written a new for loop inside a for loop. So first what we did, int I equal to 1, it means I value is equal to 1 now. Okay, I is equal to 1 now and I is less than equal to 3, yes, condition is satisfied, 1 is less than equal to 3. Then we are telling I plus plus, we are coming inside. Here what we are doing, again we are starting a new for loop and we are telling int j equal to 1, we are taking a new variable and we are initializing the value as 1 and we are telling 1 is less than equal to I, j is less than equal to I, j value is 1, 1 is less than equal to I. What is the I value? I value is 1 now, yes, the condition is satisfying. Okay, then we are telling j plus plus and we are printing star, so we printed a star. Okay, then what happened, again the loop went up, j plus plus we did, right? So j value equal to 2, is 2 is less than equal to I, 2 is less than equal to 1, no, condition is not satisfied, so this loop got over. Then we came here, so what we are doing here, system.out println, we are just making a new line, we are coming here. Okay, then what we did, int I equal, so here I plus plus happened, right? So int I value is increased, so I value became 2, so now I value became 2, so 2 is less than equal to 3, yes, condition is satisfied, I plus plus. Then we came inside, again a new for loop started, right? J equal to 1, 1 is less than equal to 2, yes, j plus plus. Then we printed this star got printed. Okay, then loop went up, j value equal to 2, 2 is less than equal to 2, yes. So what happened, Again we came here, we printed star, this star got printed. Okay, then loop went up, j value equal to 3, is 3 is less than equal to I, which is 2, no, so loop broke here. Again we came into a new line, so we came here. Okay, now what is the I value? I value equal to, earlier it was 2, now it is 3. Okay, and 3 is less than equal to 3, yes, 3 is less than equal to 3, I plus plus, again loop came inside, j equal to 1, 1 is less than equal to 3, we print this star, then j became again 2, 2 is less than equal to 3, yes, then we print this, then it became 3, 3 is less than equal to 3, yes, this star got printed. Okay, then it became 4, it is condition is not satisfied, we came out, we came into a new line maybe here. Okay, then we went up, I value equal to, earlier it was 3, now it is 4, 4 is less than equal to 3, no, so the condition not met, so loop got over. So what we are getting this, if we will make it 2, maybe you will get the result as this much. Let's see that, run as. Okay, if we will put as 4, then what we will get? Okay, so loop created inside another loop is called as nested loop. So this is the nested loop example. Okay, fine, we'll move to the next. Now we have for each loop. In Java, for each loop is used for traversing array or collection elements. In this loop, there is no need for increment or decrement operator. You can see here the syntax. So let's see with an example. So we'll just update the same example. So what I'll do here, I'll take int array equal to number array. I'm just taking, and for example let me take as 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll write for int I colon, I'll give a, which is the array, right? Then what we'll do here, we'll print a I value. Okay, let's execute it. So it is printing 20, 21, 22 and 23. So what it is doing, for each loop is used for traversing array or collection elements. We have taken one array whose values is 20, 21, 22, 23. It is traversing through this and printing the values. So here we have declared a as integer in the for each loop. This will change depending on the data type of array. For example, you are here, it is integer type, right? So if you are taking as a string, maybe you can take as a string type, and then you can traverse array elements using for each loop. For each loop terminates automatically when no element is left in the array or object. So that's what you can see, right? 20, 21, 22, 23. If we'll add one more, maybe it will print that. So you can see here it's print 24. If we will remove this, it will print only 20 and 21. Okay, so that's how for each loop works. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.